my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie and Elsie. And Elsie, where are we heading this week?
DC.
In fact, when you see this, it'll be a few days later from us filming, and we will be on our way on a bus full of 7th graders on our way to DC. I'm a chaperone. She's, of course, a student, but she has an entire packing list that they were given. She's gone through, marked off what she has, and we're going to get the items that she needs. We are at Target because they have everything from clothing, health and beauty, snacks. It's kind of a one-stop shop. She even needs some new shoes because we're going to be walking a lot, and she's really worn hers bare. So maybe we'll get them here. If not, Amazon 2-day shipping will come in clutch, but we'll share that all with you. Are you excited, Els?
Yes.
Are you excited for shopping or DC?
Both.
Me too. So let's go in, get the goods, and we can't wait to share it with you. Wish us luck that they have everything we need. And in case you're wondering, I literally just got home from Indianapolis. Matt's gone one night this week, and then a few days later, I leave. It's a busy time in our household. I'm afraid I asked Elsie if a basket was enough or if we needed a cart, and she said cart. Okay, so we're in the travel section. Elsie is going to get bottles for her own shampoo and everything. Now Mila has this stuff because she's gone to camp several years, but Elsie's never left us. I don't think we need the $13.99 set. I think we can probably get away with maybe some of those 99 centers.
Where?
Right here. So between those, pick the ones you want. What are you getting? 3 of them? Shampoo, body wash,
Yeah.
conditioner.
Yeah.
Wants a mini deodorant, but she likes the same Old Spice that I use, but they only have Fiji and mini. Are you gonna get this one, else?
What is it?
It's Fiji.
I gotta smell it, but yeah.
We decided not because this one has aluminum, but this smells really good and it's $1.99. I actually like how small that is. 72 hours, else you could put this on once and never refresh. She hasn't committed yet, have you? Have you committed? I have toothbrushes at home.
Okay.
We'll get that one?
Yeah.
$1.99. Okay, so Elsie's gonna give her shampoo and conditioner bottles back and get these because they're only $1.99. They're already filled, and then she can just use these bottles in the future and refill with these because she does like this brand. So $1.99 a piece. And slightly easier.
Oh, that's different conditioners? Wonder what's
One
different.
just looks old.
Yeah, this one looks really just...
Also, as the chaperone, I feel like I need to get this to put in my purse. It's $1.99. Okay, kids, time to sanitize. Okay, now we're on a smell test of everything. You're gonna get these?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's actually getting herbal essences and putting the Garnier Fructis, same price, but I told her this is what I have in my travel bag, and I do really like them. If this seems like a lot, it is. This is the picture of being a mom of teen. Joyful.
Yeah.
Okay, Elsie also wants to get some antibacterial wipes. I said that's fine. Just don't make sure you flush them, girl. 25. The Up and Up brand is $1.69. So yay. If you haven't had Whiplash yet, we've already changed our mind again. Elsie's now getting the smaller pack because it's smaller in size. 14 of them, Cottonelle, $1.19. Okay. While we're here, I also need to get toilet paper, but I'm in the wrong paper area. Although I guess in a pinch it would work. Also, because we're here, I'm just grabbing some butter. Mila is making a dish for her Spanish class this weekend and didn't plan for it when I grocery shop, so I need to get butter, $3.99. Okay, so we have 2 full days riding the bus, and you need to pack snacks, right? We will be stopping for lunch and dinner, but first snack, what did you find? Snack olives? We didn't even know Target had these, but we just walked by and saw them. $1.29. You gonna get one? Okay, she's getting 2, guys. How yummy. I love snack olives. I've had these from like World Market, or Matt puts them in my stocking. It's so delicious. I've never tried a brand of these I didn't like, and I also had some at the Sweet and Snack convention. So good. Taking a break from all things Elsie to get Mila her flour for her, again, Spanish project. $2.49. Okay, so we are in the cookies, nuts, chips, snack aisle. Lots of choices. Lots of things that I got to try last week at the Sweets and Snack convention. Lots of yummies, Elsie. Let's see, what will she pick? So she picked these, extra flaming hot and lemon crunchy. Are you gonna share with friends?
Yeah.
So one each way, one on the way there, one on the way back. We discussed off camera that this is why you bought what?
The wipes.
Yeah, because I said, aren't those messy for the bus? And she said the wipes. So they're 2 for $8. And I have a feeling many 7th graders will be happy with this purchase.
Yes.
And so now we are in the bars, dried fruit, some more nuts, fruit snacks, kind of packaged items. Not sure what she's gonna pick again. The good news is, if we can't find something here, I am still grocery shopping Monday. Ooh. I just met this brand at the Sweet and Snack Expo. That sounds good. I didn't try these ones, but at their booth I got to play basketball with an NBA player. And I do like macadamia nuts. I just never think of them as like a snacking nut, so that was a fun like discovery. Also, I know this is a bathroom rug, but I totally want it for my office. Look who I found floating around. Okay, so she wanted to get dried mango, and my goal was to get it all done here, but they don't have it, so we'll get it at Aldi. Just help me remember. We'll have to add it to the list. My memory is not my greatest asset, is it? Okay, Elsie's next pick is a True Fruit, and they have lots of different ones. They're $5.39 each. What are you picking, Els?
Strawberry.
So it's strawberries in white and dark chocolate. Yum. Let me see that. The bag is resealable, so I think that'll be good for both ways.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's picking a candy. I'm guessing you're gonna share?
Yeah.
She's getting Sour Patch Bites, which is just their heads. $4.19, I think. Yep, $4.19. So we're looking at drinks. She's not sure if they can have soda. They definitely cannot have energy drinks. So she's gonna get a sparkling water. They have cherry citrus slush, orange mango, strawberry lemonade, and I feel like they might have a couple other ones elsewhere. Yeah, 2 of those. We're going back to the candy aisle because we forgot to get gum, which is a must. I'm actually gonna pick one out myself. Don't think I want a big old guy. Maybe I do. I don't generally chew gum. Yeah, that's good. But I feel like it's probably good to have. I'm sure the kids will even ask me for some. So Elsie's getting this, 2 for $7. Will you get me the green one? I'll get that.
Yeah.
So we'll get 2 of these for $7. Mentos. Now, I'm not buying it right now because I already have a bag at home, but this is for sure gonna go in my bag. I'm still only gonna eat dinner on our way there and back. I'm still only gonna eat dinner, especially on our car rides, but after dinner I might have candy like to finish the ride out. Ooh, Else, look. Spring flavors of water. Let's see if Elsie will change, or maybe I'll get one of these because I do like their. I'm gonna get limoncello.
That's what I'm getting.
Okay, for both ears?
Yes.
So, okay, we are gonna take the strawberry lemonade back and get 4 of these. Limoncello is, Elsie and I both love these. I have had the cherry cream, it's good, but I think this one's better. Sorry, strawberry lemonade. And my Aldi doesn't have the plain ones anymore. Now typically I don't like to drink flavors while I'm fasting, but you know what? I need to survive all the 7th graders. Okay, so here's where we're at. Elsie's looking pretty good. We are gonna look for shoes, and we did have to buy her a charger from Amazon so that as we're walking around, her battery on her phone is old. She has my old phone and it dies. We want her to be able to take pictures and all that fun stuff, so she has a external charger for her phone. We might end up ordering her tennis shoes if we don't like what they have in stock here. They don't have sizes, but I also need to get a lock. I also need to get a locked bag, so we're gonna check that out really quick for any medication as a chaperone. I can only carry medication in a locked bag. So I don't know if they have that here. I'm gonna look in the travel area. I really don't want to spend money on a locked bag, but I don't want to be the one that's breaking the rules. Do you know what I'm saying? it's not worth saving a little bit of money to not follow the rules, I guess is what I'm saying. I could do this, but I don't know if my bags lock. I think I'll end up just buying, I'll pop it up here, what I buy from Amazon. But we're just making sure the teens don't get into things they're not supposed to. Legitimately the cutest hats. I already saw one a couple days ago that was the pink version. And this, I told my girls, my birthday's coming up. I do really want to start golfing again. I haven't done it in 15 years, but I want to start again. I'm actually surprised at how few tennis shoes Target has. And for some reason, Elsie doesn't want to wear these. Okay, well, I just placed my Amazon order after we confirmed we couldn't get stuff in stores. Like 12 something for the locked bag for medications. Any guess on the total? Making her work earn the purchase. Okay, before my 5% discount, it's $48.39. So after the discount of my Target card, it's $45.97. It's expensive to have you. Will it be worth it for the trip? I think so too. Okay, so this is what I was trying to look for in store. It did arrive, but it's a pack that you can see my zippers are locked in here. So if I have prescription medication for anyone that I'm chaperoning, it's gonna go in here, or even my own. They just don't want the liability, of course. It comes really easily with a packet that tells you how to reset. Obviously, that's not my code, but it works really well, and it's nice, and it seems waterproof, so no matter what I have in here, I feel like it's gonna be safe. So if you want to see me get the mango, because this video was recorded before my grocery haul, but you're seeing it after my weekly grocery haul, hopefully I remembered it in this video right here. I love doing fun groceries, but I also do my normal grocery shopping and share it every single Monday. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.